We're over here at top O Topanga in Topanga, California. This is an all-age, own your own lot mobile home park here in Los Angeles, California. Paul, why don't you take us through the first step when you're replacing an old trailer with a brand new manufactured home?
So what we do is first we come on out here to the site and we take a look at the existing unit and the structures that are there and the surrounding structures. We take our measurements, see what we have impediments like a tree, utility locations, take all that into account, and then we come up with a site plan and work with the customer to what they want to do to make their dreams come true on their new home.
So we just completed all the things that Paul just discussed. We measured the existing home and all the setbacks. We now know what the largest home is that's gonna fit in this property. The next step when you're ordering a brand new manufactured home, the manufacturer or the retailer in this situation needs to get the floor plans over to the homeowner so they can choose which floor plan they like. Paul, what is the next step? After the homeowner chooses the floor plan, what is the next step when designing and ordering a new manufactured home?
Okay, so the next step after we have the floor plan picked out is we'll incorporate that onto our site plan, which is basically an overview plan of the slot. And depending on the home's functions, where the door locations are and things like that, we'll design the accessory package. Decide how big of a carport, where we want it, porches if they want them, and steps. And that's based on some of the homeowner's wants and some of the manufacturer's requirements.
In this situation, this homeowner has a beautiful view if they had a skytop deck. So that is one of the things that the homeowner is considering, is putting a carport with a deck on top, or some manufacturers do offer a home with a rooftop deck. So if you want to learn more about new or pre-owned manufactured homes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Paul and I are going to take you through the entire process of replacing this old trailer with a brand new manufactured home. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to see the entire process from A to Z move-in ready.